In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit footer on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you manage the look and layout of your storefront. On this page, find your active theme. You will see a Customize button next to it. Click Customize to open the theme editor, where you can adjust sections of your store while previewing the changes in real time. Once the editor loads, look to the sidebar on the left. The footer is typically at the bottom of your page layout, so scroll down in the preview until you reach the bottom of the store page. At the same time, in the sidebar, scroll until you see the footer section, then click Footer. This opens the footer settings and any blocks that are already included, such as menus or text areas. To add new content to your footer, click Add Block. From here, choose the type of block you want to insert, such as a menu, text, or images. Menus are useful for links like policies, support, or quick navigation. Text blocks are great for short messages, business details, or a brief description. Image blocks can be used for logos, badges, or simple graphics that support trust and branding. After adding a block, click the block itself to edit it. For a text block, update the wording directly in the settings. For a menu block, you can select a different navigation menu, which lets you control exactly which links appear in that footer column. Take a moment to preview your footer as you make changes, so spacing and alignment stay clean and readable. Next, in the footer settings, look for the option called Show Payment Icons. Turn this on if you want credit card and payment logos to appear, which can help customers feel more confident during checkout. If you want to add social links, click the gear icon for theme settings, then choose Social Media. Add your social account links there, and they will connect to the theme elements that display social icons. Finally, adjust the footer height using the padding and margin sliders. Small changes can make the footer feel more balanced and easier to scan. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your updates. That covers everything you need to know.